So, unsa day feeling pag mawagtangan tag trabaho?
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
Before ta magsugod atong paymanahon kung kinsa atong mga sponsors. So, nakasaway ba mo na nawagtangan magtrabaho or maybe siguro na-terminate ka no? And then even siguro kung nakakita kasi mong kauban nga na-terminate and then naka-feel ka kung unsa day kalisod pag mawagtangan trabaho. So, nako tinud nga storya na. So, sa una nalabaho ko and then it was actually a medium-sized company. We do more on events, we do more on entertainment type of business no. So, I was in the operations department and more or less if you're in the operations, lagi kay field work no. And then I handle a few people. So if you're in the field, then for sure you will be hands-on and then you will see what are the actual scenarios in the field. So kabalo kita na ang theory just for the guidelines no, but naa jay mga variation when in terms of the actual scenarios no. So na yung mga variations, there's a lot of things to consider if you're already in the actual situations. So at that time, we are in the middle of crisis, and then we really have the hard time to generate the good revenue or mo ang mga sales target at di ginamo ma-meet, no? Our utility cost, our manpower cost, our rental, so all the operational costs taas jud kayo, and then basically the business is really failing. So we need to cut down more of the expenses. So one of the decisions of the top management is to terminate the extra employees, which is actually normal gini siya sa mga businesses lately that they really terminate the employees, especially pag may expenses because employees are like replaceable at this moment, diba? So, well, on that meeting, they asked me about my opinion of that idea. So, yan ako nila. And somehow, I really object that idea. No, I really don't like to terminate employees. It was actually a scary part on my end. It was really risky because I'm the only one who's objecting that idea, and everybody is like agreeing on that idea. No, so akong gibuhat ato is just I asked them kung unsay budget nila sa manpower cost, pila para ako lang ma-adjust kung unsaon ako ang schedules, and then I will just inform the people that this is actually the situations now, and then for sure makasabot kinang employees and ano. So ang ako lang ato na is that it's okay to suffer na kami tanan na ginagmay lang kaysa usa ka tawo lang na mag-suffer og dako kayo. So it's not really a good thing to be selfish during the crisis or during the trouble times. It's because that's actually the time that we really need the most. No, I think we need each other during the trouble times, during the situations where uncertainty. Kung amo ang i-terminate ang usa ka tawo and then dili sila makagatag trabaho, it's because it's in the middle of crisis. Wala yung mag-hire, wala tanan. So maglisod gyud sila pangitag trabaho, di ba? So mao kag niingon ana na kung namo sa gira and then imong kauban na igo sa bala and then gibiyaan lang nimo, it's because kabalo ka na anyway mamatay magyapon na siya, di ba? So lain kay paminaon pero of course imuha gyud ang tabangan ng usa ka kauban nimo, di ba? So that's what actually my point, no? It's not actually the employee's performance issue, but actually it's more on the business performance issue. So anyway, makasabot ko both the people and also the business side. Siguro kung makaingon ko kung it's really an attitude problem, then maybe siguro it's really time for them to leave the group or leave the company. It's because so maybe they're not really good in working with the other employees, no? Maybe they will be the toxic of the group. So mo lang mas maayo na medyo ipalayo na lang na siya para dili ma-contaminate ang imuhang grupo, di ba? So there I was facing the jury and also facing everybody. So taas kay mag-discussion nato. I'm the only one who is presenting that kind of kanang argument on that idea. Naabot sa point na I really offer my demotion para lang gyud ma-meet ang budget for the company, no? Because I really want to share also the same sentiment of the business and also the same sentiments sa also sad sa mga tao. So wala na siya, and then the person on that table don't even offer their salaries, no, just to help other people or just to help the other employees. It's because of course, it's their personal needs, right? Of course, di sila ganahan na makuhaan sila kwarta, di ba? So kinahanglan magani na dili sila ganahan nga mogamay ang ilang kwarta, mogamay ilang sweldo, pero makaya nila na wagtangan nagtrabaho ang usa ka tawo nga mao po source of income. So that's actually the thing ako ang gustong i-point out po na um let's to be fair with everybody, especially in the businesses and also for the people, no? Then that's the time that they really hated me. So I think that was actually the fun part. Actually, I leave something on that table that really reflects on their own belief, no, and also their personal interest in the company and also outside of the company. So anyway, that's okay. They really hated me, and after a few months, things changed, and then guess what? They really terminated me. So instead of ang ubang tao, ako may una na terminate, which is actually mag-expect na ko na nato is because they really have the intent to terminate a bunch of people. How much more sa usa lang ka tawo na they really hated and then lahi pa gud og belief sa ilaha. So I think it's really kuan na pod, obvious, and I'm already expecting during the onset of that meeting that I know I will be terminated soon. And actually, it's really a bold statement from me to offer my percentage of my salary just to object also that idea to terminate other people. So yeah, actually, I really object the idea, but not to attack the person on that meeting. No, so wala ko nang atake atong tawhana or katong mga kuana, but I really attack the idea that there's also other way to do things, no. But again, atong culture man good as a Filipino or maybe as a society that umalaan gid ta in terms of kana ganing na idea against with our idea. Bantay mo ng mga istorya na malain din ang isa ka tawo nimo dili din managad, and then wala ka kabalo kung anong nalain siya sa imuha. Okay, wala ka kabalo kung unsay imong gibuhat, but nalain na sila or nasuko na sila sa imuha, which is just the same scenario. So I was out of the company already, and then the good thing about it is that wala nila gipang terminate ang mga staff, no. So they already adjusted the schedule, and then I think that's actually that I really wanted also. At least, no, there are things that I leave on that table that it's really intended for that table, and then I'm so happy about it. And then after that one, and a few months later, ang katong mga taong nasa table, they were also terminated. So I think that's really the life cycle now na ano lang, tuyok-tuyok lang ang kinabuhi, 'di ba? So, yeah, for me actually that's not the a smart way to do things. I admit that, but I think that was also my small change that I really wanted. I know it was really a risky move, but I think they really needed to know pod kung unsa po yung other way, no? So anyway, that's also the reason why I share this, because maybe siguro makakuha mo lessons about this story, or maybe you can apply this one, or maybe you will know kung unsa imong buhaton. Maybe you will learn my mistakes also, or maybe you will still do it. Or anyway, it's up to you na. That's actually what I mean about the quote na you'll always be the first one to take the first hit, and then you will always be the last one to take the glory. So I think, and then if you are kind of person who matters who gets the credit and who is winning, then maybe let's try to see also the other way that siguro makapangutana ta na what are the changes that you can give regardless who's winning and who's taking the credit, diba? So, and I think there's a lot of good lessons on that story. Maybe it may be a negative one or maybe a positive one. I think there's always be a lesson that maybe it will prepare you for something also, no? So yeah, and that's actually the end of my story. And then before I will end also this episode, let me ask you something. So if you are in my position, do you have the other way to do things, or will you do it the same? I'm so interested with your thoughts. So if you can mentor me, if you can teach me, you can comment below, or maybe you can contact me. So, or maybe you can spread the news, or maybe you can spread the technique to the other people. I think that would be very nice kung ma-spread na siya ng mga ideas, no? So that's actually the end of my episode, and salamat kayo sa inyong pagpaminaw, and ayaw kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara, kanina podcast para sa imoha. I will see you on the next episode, and I love you.